For the best viewing experience, please rotate your phone to landscape mode. If you are watching on YouTube, simply tap the full screen icon in the bottom corner. Let's get started. Alright, so let's have a look at calculating RF values. We want to look at how that's done. Now, examiners frequently ask candidates to identify a dye by calculating its retention factor. It is one division done with a ruler, and both substances are measured from the pencil baseline. Alright, now RF meaning retention factor equal to distance moved by the dye over distance moved by the solvent front. Now let's have a look at this red spot. This red spot has moved a distance of 4 centimeters, yet the solvent front has moved a distance of 8 centimeters. Alright, so hence RF is going to be distance moved by the dye 4 centimeters over distance moved by the solvent, and as a result we end up having 4 centimeters divided by 8 centimeters as the working shows. Hence the retention factor is 0.5. Take note that no units, the centimeters cancel out each other, and the answer is always less than 1. So the moment you get yourself an RF value greater than 1, it means that you would have made an error. You would have made a slight mistake somewhere. Now, the 3 rules. Measure the center of the spot. So it means that maybe you are going to measure the center of the spot, not at the very end or at the lower end of the spot, but right at the center of the spot, which will align with the 4 centimeters. RF has no units because the centimeters cancel each other out. RF is always less than 1 because a dye can never overtake the solvent carrying it. Okay, now the common slip, measuring the top of the spot, like at the very end here, or from the bottom edge, or measuring probably from the bottom edge of the paper instead of from the pencil line. So also the other mistake is to measure from the bottom edge here instead of from here. Alright, so you end up losing marks should that be shown in the exam. Alright, so you could be having some kind of practice here. So let's see, maybe we do have what we have here. Now it says that there is a worked example. Red moved 4 centimeters. The distance traveled was 8 centimeters. Therefore 4 divided by 8. The same applies here. We have 5.6 and then 8, and this is 0.7, and so the story then goes on and on. So maybe what I would have wanted you guys to do is to then cover this, and then you get to practice on your own. You can pause this video and then you practice distance moved by dye over distance moved by solvent front, calculating the RF values for P, Q, R, and S. And that's how you go about it when calculating RF values.